Hey there, welcome to Deals Potter. Today I've got an amazing deal for you. Exclusive savings on Unriddle AI, the AI-powered platform revolutionizing how we analyze and simplify data. Stick around to find out how you can get 75% off and unlock even more savings with a special coupon code. Let's talk about Unriddle AI. If you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone who needs to make sense of complex data, this tool is a game changer. Unriddle AI helps you analyze data quickly and efficiently, generate insights that boost decision making, save time with its intuitive AI interface. It's designed to make your work smarter, not harder. Now, here's the exciting part. You can grab Unriddle AI at an unbeatable 75% off. But that's not all. When you use my link in the description, you'll automatically get 65% off. And if you apply my exclusive coupon code FAISAL10, you'll get an additional 10% off. That's huge savings you can't afford to miss. Here's how to claim this amazing offer. Click the link in the description below. Choose your preferred Unriddle AI plan. At checkout, enter the coupon code FAISAL10 to unlock your extra 10% discount. It's that simple. Watch your total drop and enjoy all the benefits of Unriddle AI at a fraction of the price. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this exclusive deal. Click the link in the description now, apply the coupon code FAISAL10, and start leveraging the power of Unriddle AI today. And before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Deals Potter, and turn on notifications so you never miss an incredible deal like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Unriddle AI, simplify your data today. Link in the description, coupon code FAISAL10.